One day, somebody programmed my baby. Teet, 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 teet. He was driving back to home and suddenly my baby scolded me today. I feel sad.
Today?
But the main problem is I don't know what's going on in his mind. In that same situation, somebody could have reacted in a different way.
How?
It would be great, right, if we could know what's going on in somebody's mind. If we can go into somebody's head and see what inside the head. What is inside the head? Is there any way? Do you know? Let's come and find out together if there is a way. I think it's possible. Okay. Hey! Human and robot have many things in common. Let's learn robotics using something that we understand better. DigiKids presents Understand Robotics in a fun way for kids aged between 6 to 8 years.